Hello UiPath experts, welcome to the UiPath.learner channel. Thank you very much for subscribe. So today we'll see about a new use case called job alerts. So failure alerts. So this is like a there is a some DBA job history logs are there. Some database service is continuously updating the log files from this folder. Okay, so job history folder is there. It has a lot of jobs. Each file name is a one job name. So that's dot log means suppose for example DBA backup and live forecast dot log. Live forecast is a one job name. Salary payments, these are all the job names. Okay, so each file name is a job name. So basically the another service continuously update these log files, and if any new job is there, it will create a text file automatically and it will update as per the job schedule. So suppose for example if you just open this job, this job has logs. Suppose for example these jobs logs are looks like this one. The first thing is like is what is the date when the job ran. So 02 March 2021 is a job run. The first line, if we observe this line, job run, when it is started on that day, March 2nd, it's 18 hours, 09 seconds, minutes, and 32 seconds is started, and it is ended on that, so 18:05 and 34 seconds it is ended with the errors. Okay, so the first line we need, so what the robot has to do, robot has to loop each and every log file from this folder, job history folder, and check the first line, that is the latest job history. Okay, so actually this latest recent job status for this particular job is failed because it is started and ended with the errors. So what the robot has to do, robot has to only consider the latest errors, not this error. This is the old one. Okay, suppose for example this old one, so it has to ignore, because so there is a failure happen. After that there some technical guys is again they executed successfully after modifying some changes, and so that's why the robot always has to concentrate on the first line of the each log file. So whether this is a failed or if it is a with errors, then that means it is a failed. Let's go for the another one. It is also failed. The latest one, latest record is failed. Go to the next one. It is a successful. So if it is a successful, it has to ignore this job. Okay, so it should not consider. But basically, why we are doing this use case? So the actual requirement is like a bot we are scheduling the bot every 1 hour. Every 1 hour it has to check all the log files from this folder and the recent log history from each and every log, every job log file. Okay, so if it is a recent history log is a successful, it has to ignore, no need to do anything. So if it is a failure, suppose for example let's take another one. So this is a fail. So this fail in the sense with the errors, right? With the errors, what it has to do, it has to take all the things as into the one data table, like a, so what is a job name. Suppose for example here is a job name is this one, the file name is a job name. I'm copying this one. So what is a job name, and first one is a job name, and when is the date when it is executed on 03. Basically we can copy from this one, 03 March 2021, and when it is what is the starting date. So when it is started on, ended on, and what is the duration, difference between the ended minus starting, it will give the duration. Status, this is the starting date, starting time on that day, and this is the ended time. And what is the difference? This minus this equal to this much time it is taken. This job is taken 17 minutes 17 seconds Okay, so what is the status? Status is as it is a with errors. That's why we can just change the failed. Okay, and also not only that, so it has to failed in the you can change the color of the background. So basically, so it's not for the actually Excel, so it has to send a consolidated report every time, consolidated report like this. Okay, so let me show you so how it is email. The email should be looks like this one. So the email subject is like a DBA bot hyphen failed jobs list. That is the subject of the mail. And so dear IT support team, please find the below failed jobs. So this is it has to consolidate all the jobs list. So where it will come? So job name is coming from the file name, log file name, and date is coming from the latest. It is not go for the further history. Okay, only the latest one. The first line is the latest one always for the in each and every log file. Okay, so we should not consider the remaining things. Only the first line. So, and also one more thing is we have to ignore if it is a success. If the first line having the success, then we don't need to consider that job. Okay, we need only the failure, and the background of that cell color is called red. Okay. So that is a use case. So here is a list of log files. So please try it out. So with the using the RE framework. Okay. So thank you very much for subscribe my channel.